we're here at Azure. You can see Azure Beach Club. So there is the wave pool. So you can see that we're gonna swim there later. So that's the store. I think this is the store. I think this is the bakery. Yeah, that's the bakery. So some plants. Yeah. So that's the condo. So we're living at the condo. It looks like a hotel, but it's small. Yeah, it's very cool. There's the wave pool. So what is this? Children's playroom. No way. So yeah, let's continue it later. So we're on the top of the wave pool. Yeah, you can see the sun is so there. Oh my god, it's so bright. The condo parts. Azure Beach Club. Trees. Yeah, stairs. We're going down. So yeah, we're still at here again. Yeah, at the bakery. We haven't moved yet. Oh, this is a movie room? No way. Gym, game room. Wow. Okay, let's continue it later. Okay. Bye. Okay, let's just not pause this because it's bro. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's don't pause it. Look at how is that? It's over there. I can't see that clearly because yeah, I'm on ground. Wait, let me see. There we go. We can see it. Like that here. Oh yeah, I can see it right here. Yeah, that's nice. So let's just keep walking. The pool, beach volleyball, Azure Beach Club. Oh, the streets. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. The streets. Streets. Plants. There are many bushes here. Many bush. Just feel it. I haven't seen a bush before. I think this is a bush. I don't know if this is a bush. Snipers be here. In Call of Duty, snipers will be. So let me just pause it. Bush. Somebody must be hiding there. There should be a fountain for real. Yeah. Zoo. Streets. Highway. Yeah. For walking. Stairs. Fountain. Later. So we're going here. What is this? Oh my god, there's so many people here. Okay, let me just post this first. Okay, we just got out the store. So many people. It's so cold. Yeah. The air conditioners, stores. We just kept walking. Jessing's breed. Oh, when? I thought it was beef. Oh, there's nothing there. Let's run. Maybe I fold this. What if I fold this? Huh. Oh, we're back. Hello. We're back. Jane Reynolds. So yeah, we're on the store, so wait, beer. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, finally, we can get out. Ah, finally. We're going back. 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 Hunting. Condo. Where are they? Where could be? Where the frick are they? Where in the hell are they? Bush. Nakauwi na sila? Nagbibihis na sila?
Hindi magbaba. Kumain muna tayo ng bread. No?
Pupunta pa tayo sa room?
Hmm?
Pupunta pa tayo sa room?
Hmm?
Pupunta pa tayo sa room?
Kuha mo natin ang dami.
Okay. Basketball court, but yeah. Bawal. Oh, I mean, yeah. Nobody can entrance there. Levels, plants. Is the speaker. Ganda nung camera ko. Kami. Pag real life, ano parang pangat yung plans. Tag sa cellphone ko, ano.
Oh, mag-guide na. Ilan kayo?
Wow. Unang utang ko sa'yo.
Mamaya pa lang sila kayo.
Look at that. So, yeah. Let me just wait here. What the hell is this? Hacha! Hi. Hi. Say hi. Sabihin mo hi.
Ano puwet?
Lo. Bawal mo yan sabihin. Ulit.
Hi.
Ah. He has a birthday. Don't just listen to him. He's kinda, yeah, you know, he's kinda weird. Let's pause this thingy. Sabihin mo hi.
Hi. Di ba balik ako?
Okay, let's go. I think it's gonna rain. Because look at the skies. The sun is gone. Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's 3:54 p.m. At the afternoon. I mean, I don't know.
Ano, parang katumba ka na. After 7 o'clock na lang, te. Yung kakain.
Oh my god, so windy. I know you can't hear me because it's so windy. I think
Kakain nyo lang naman.
I almost hit my head there. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Kaya nagalit na naman. Alam mo ba nag-away na nagalit na naman yung kanina? Ma, bakit?
Wow.
Ay, si Papa. Paano kasi? May ulam kami, sinigang.
Oh, no. It's so windy.
Alam mo ba? Yan yung saan galing, para mas malapit yung dinaanan mo. Mas nainikat mo pa. Oh, tapos?
Oh my god. The wind is going on, man. So, the plot is pretty.
Sana pala, ano natin, may
I know real life is, if real life, if you saw this in real life, these plants, you can see it's not very green. But in my camera, you can see it's very green.
Dapat ang tagal nyo daw.
Look, I don't know if you see normal.
Kuya, ano ba yung binibidyo mo?
Wait, let me just post it. So, yeah. Look at this.
Buti na lang, nakita ko yung history natin.
Sad. way, Sander.
Hindi ko alam yung number mo. So, ano?
That is a freaking map. So boring if you go there. Oh, I thought this was there. Ha. So dumb.
Tap!
Bush.
Magaling ka, karating tayo ah.
Bush. Bush.
Ayun o, sarap na ng hangin o.
I don't know if you guys hear me because it's windy. Oh my god. So I don't know if y'all hear me. So windy.
Anong bakit na
The wind is gone.
namin?
Ah!
Ano hinahanap mo namin? Hindi, yung cellphone mo, tinatawagan ka, hindi ko na nakasagot. Wala ka wala. Sabi ko natin, anak. Alis na kami ng mama.
Okay, I think time's oh, it's not doing. That's our condo.
Mainit na ako. Mas mainit pa sa
Let's just go at our room. Okay.
Oo. Gagalit na siya.
So here, this is the elevator. So let me just pause this. Okay, that's I'm just gonna take a picture in my room. Yeah. So just look at my TikTok. So you can see all the pictures that I took here at Azure. So bye y'all. Bye.